been fantastic. The support has been excellent from the representatives, the area representatives, the sales representatives, the science, the clinical decision-making support as high up as Dr. Mulholland, all the way down to the reps themselves. They feel very supported, guided along our journey, patient selection, how to use the device, use cases, indications, and how to integrate it into our practice. It's been excellent, I can say. You agree?
I agree.
Well, I've been an InMode customer since 2013, so I've seen the transition that has occurred and how the technology has advanced over the years. I've been able to experience all the dramatic changes that have occurred and all as how the technology has continued to improve. And that's why I've been the steady customer since 2013 and continue to be. Well, InMode, unlike any other company that I've ever dealt with before, whether in the aesthetic industry, it's not a one-shot, one time, and that's it. They're always there helping you out. They're always there for support. We have 4 big launches every year in our clinic. They're always there for us, providing support, going over some of the technology, providing extra services. And it's just been a great experience, unlike how it's been with other laser-like technologies over the years.
My experience has been wonderful. So the long and short of it is I took over my practice in 2019. I purchased my first 2 devices with InMode within 6 months of owning the practice. And by bringing these devices into my practice, it allowed me to shift from a completely cosmetic surgery practice over to a fully non-surgical practice, which allows me to work 3 days a week and not take call. And the support from the InMode team has been awesome. They provide you with marketing support, educational support, training support, and wonderful events like this. And then I got into an additional device, so I now own 3 devices.
For me, it's been phenomenal. It truly has been the game changer for our practice. We started partnering with InMode shortly 2 months after opening our practice, and we launched with the Empower platform. And I can honestly say if it wasn't for the Empower platform, we may not still be here today.
I started becoming an InMode customer in August 3 of 2000. Since then, we've expanded the med spa into multiple locations. We have 4 different med spa devices, and they continually help us upgrade our devices to new technologies, which allows my med spa to grow along with the industry.
As an InMode customer, my experience has been absolutely amazing. I have one of the best reps, I think, in the company. She has been so accommodating. She's been so informative. It was one of the best purchases that we made for our practice.
There's several things happening in the economy. You have election, you have inflation, you have higher interest rate. So a lot of people are not doing the high ticket items. So because of that, we've really pivoted with the InMode technology, combining things like Morpheus. So if somebody comes in for neurotoxin and they have loose skin, we're introducing Morpheus to it. If I do a breast lift, I'm doing Morpheus to tighten the skin. Every liposuction patient, because you remove the fat, you have loose skin, so we can combine body tight, face tight, and Morpheus. So the InMode technology has really helped us stay afloat. InMode has really been like, they're a trend right now. One of my favorite InMode team members is Kip. He calls, I call, he answers my call every time. So he's been a very cooperative relationship. I love the reps, are very helpful when you need them.
So I actually purchased multiple machines from the very beginning. And so Morpheus 8 has been huge for me in all my practices with all my practitioners.
InMode's been great for my practice. It's particularly face tight and also Morpheus, sometimes paired together.
What was the most surprising to me was that most of everything from the get-go was very well explained, and also the support that we got in education. What I noticed when I compared InMode to the other technology companies out in the field is that InMode puts a lot of money into the research and development. So in doing that, we're very capable of providing good care that's safe, efficient, and effective. And when it comes to a doctor, if you're able to predict results every time that you speak to a patient, your practice does a lot better, your reputation does a lot better, so does your brand. So to be able to be with a company like InMode that has the support, the research and development, and a brand that stands close to your own brand, it's easy.
It doesn't matter where you go, what you do, how you do it, someone's there to support you. These events are great. I can go talk to Dr. Mulholland, Dr. Meningus, just pull them off the stage in a break, and the support is amazing. Our reps have always been there. They follow up at least twice a month. We have clinical coordinators that can help us get things done. You're never left with an unanswered question.
I've had a profoundly amazing experience. I've been supported the entire way, and I'm lucky to have support staff and the team to help from everything from educational content to help with team training and staff training, and it's a great experience for our patients.
It's been a great experience working with InMode for the last 2 years. My reps, they take good care of me whenever we need a help or there's a problem or a question. They always answer the phone and they're there for us. For me, my nurse, my medical assistant, they answer questions, they're present when we need them. So the experience has been great.